EB696UI is Epson's new 3LCD WUXGA interactive projector. Now you can provide a quality learning experience by ensuring every student in the room can read the displayed content. You can project up to a 100-inch screen, so the projected content can be read even from the back of the classroom. Projected images have no glare for a wider viewing angle from seats off to the side. You can use two projectors to display the images side by side for sharing more content at once. Make learning more fun with a variety of engaging interactive content. The 696UI now includes Smart Notebook. Students can enjoy game-based interactive content with finger touch operation. And students can write answers using the pen. Then erase with their hand. You can incorporate real objects into your lesson. Even with small objects, you can zoom in by simply touching the screen to project a clear, high-quality image. Then, write over the projected image. Facilitate the integration of classroom devices. Epson's free application software allows you to share projected content with classroom devices. And also project content from student devices. A device can be selected regardless of the OS, even Chromebook. Epson's ability to fit a variety of learning styles helps facilitate a better learning experience. Epson.